Risk, the risk of accident, of fire, of illness, of death. The insurance industry cannot protect us from calamity, but it can help shield us from ruin when calamity does strike. More than 2 million people make this system work. Half of them are in office and administrative jobs at the insurance companies that provide the policies. While these workers might have college degrees in basic business practices, over time they tend to specialize in particular areas of the industry. Perhaps the most specialized position at the office is that of the actuary, who studies the history of certain events and people involved in them to determine the risk of insuring particular groups and situations. The work of the actuary determines the cost of the insurance. Often actuaries have advanced degrees. The other half of the insurance industry workforce is out in the field, selling policies, investigating and analyzing claims, and helping people settle claims. The education range for insurance salespeople varies. Some might enter the business with a high school diploma, others might come to it after college or as a second career. One thing insurance field workers have in common is that they often work on evenings and weekends because their jobs are responsive to the needs of individuals and unforeseeable events. Without them, a lot of life would be more dangerous and difficult because insurance creates a safety net that helps us to be a little more secure in an uncertain world.